Introducing the epitome of convenience in precision tooling, the best mini electric screwdrivers crafted with excellence in mind. Constructed from high-quality CRV metal, these compact wonders promise durability and reliability for all your intricate tasks. Designed with portability in mind, they are easy to carry, ensuring you have the perfect tool at your fingertips whenever and wherever needed. Their user-friendly interface makes them a breeze to operate, offering a seamless experience for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With a wide application range, these mini electric screwdrivers are versatile companions for tasks ranging from electronics assembly to household repairs. Boasting high torque and variable speed settings, they deliver unmatched performance tailored to your specific needs. Elevate your precision work with these state-of-the-art tools that redefine efficiency. Don't miss out on the latest advancements in the world of mini electric screwdrivers. Comment below with your thoughts, like if you found this introduction helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and insightful content on cutting-edge tools. Your journey to enhanced precision starts here. Number 4 in our top today is the VMAN Mini Electric Screwdriver. Step into the realm of exceptional precision and unparalleled convenience with the VMAN Mini Electric Screwdriver Set. Crafted from high-quality CRV alloy, renowned for its impact resistance, wear resistance, and overall sturdiness, this precision screwdriver set stands as a testament to durability. Undergoing strict quality control, each of the 62 screw bits, ranging from Phillips and Pentalobe to Torx, hex, slotted, triangle, and square, ensures the utmost precision for a wide array of applications, especially in electronic equipment repair. The ergonomically designed aluminum handle, complemented by a rotatable light handle and a robust magnetic head, adds an extra layer of functionality to your toolkit. Its lightweight and portable design make it a perfect companion for long-lasting professional use, ensuring that your hands remain comfortable during extended periods of work. The strong magnetic design on the screwdriver's top firmly secures bits in place, enhancing efficiency in your tasks. The intelligently designed storage space prevents bits from falling out, maintaining organization and convenience during your work. The compact and magnetic bit position of the screwdriver set box further exemplifies its thoughtful design, allowing you to effortlessly access your tools with a simple squeeze. Elevate your repair experience with the VMAN Mini Electric Screwdriver Set, where quality, precision, and convenience converge seamlessly. Number 3 in our top today is the POPULO Mini Electric Screwdriver. Unleash the power of precision with the POPULO Mini Electric Screwdriver, a compact powerhouse designed for efficiency and ease of use. Featuring a rear gravity motor, this screwdriver delivers an impressive 25% more torque, reaching up to 5 Nm. The all-metal gears ensure seamless operation, driving screws of varying sizes into diverse materials with precision. The torque adjustment knob allows for fine-tuning, enabling control over different applications, while the variable speed settings from 1st to 6th gear add versatility to your projects. Boasting a user-friendly design, this cordless screwdriver activates with a simple 3-second press of either the forward or reverse button, making it ready for action. Its intelligent automatic shutdown after 10 minutes of inactivity conserves energy, ensuring optimal battery life. Even without power, the spindle lock function and straight design transform it into a reliable manual screwdriver. Ideal for small appliances and light-duty work such as circuit repair, bicycle maintenance, or switch installation, the POPULO Mini Electric Screwdriver is a versatile companion. Its wireless and convenient charging capability, compatible with USB ports like laptops, power banks, or car chargers, makes it a portable solution for your on-the-go needs. The inclusion of a charger and a magnetic hexagonal head further enhances its practicality. Elevate your screwdriving experience with the POPULO Mini Electric Screwdriver, a powerful tool designed for precision, convenience, and reliability. Number 2 in our top today is the XOOL Mini Electric Screwdriver. The XOOL Mini Electric Screwdriver stands as a pinnacle of versatility and precision. Encapsulated in the XOOL 62-in-1 electronics repair toolkit, This professional set comprises 58 CRV steel screwdriver bits, including Phillips, flathead, Torx security, pentalobe, and more, accommodating a wide array of electronic devices such as iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, laptops, cameras, and gaming consoles. Whether you're an IT professional or an amateur, this comprehensive kit is your go-to solution for seamless repairs. Crafted with high-quality CRV steel, the 58 bits boast exceptional hardness, toughness, and durability, all subjected to rigorous quality testing to ensure standard sizing and reliability. The ergonomic press and push design handle enhances comfort during prolonged use, reflecting XOOL's commitment to user-friendly design. The inclusion of a flexible extension rod made from high-plasticity material provides elasticity without compromising on durability. The XOOL 62-in-1 precision screwdriver set excels in its humanized design, featuring a flexible shaft extension rod and a solid shaft extension rod with robust magnetic tips, facilitating easy bit fixation and screw extraction, especially in hard-to-reach electronic components. The entire set is neatly packed into a compact, portable design, making it an ideal companion for professionals on the move. Elevate your electronics repair experience with the XOOL Mini Electric Screwdriver, an embodiment of multifunctionality, high quality, and thoughtful design. Subscribe now for the latest in precision tools and expert reviews. And finally, the first place in our list is occupied by the Fanttik Mini Electric Screwdriver. Step into the realm of precision craftsmanship with the best Fanttik Mini Electric Screwdriver, a sophisticated tool engineered to elevate your repair experience. Boasting a delicate yet powerful torque system, this electric screwdriver offers precision with a high torque of 0.2 nanometers, a low torque of 0.05 nanometers, and a manual torque of 3 nanometers. Designed with versatility in mind, it's perfect for an array of tasks, from tablet computers and mobile phones to watches, electronic bracelets, cameras, and precision instruments. The comprehensive set of 50 bits, crafted from durable S2 hardened steel, ensures longevity and safety in every repair endeavor. Each bit is meticulously categorized to equip you for a myriad of repair challenges. The magnetic case, a hallmark of organization and convenience, keeps the electric screwdriver and all 50 metal bits neatly in place. The pop-up mechanism adds a touch of satisfaction to each open and close, and the magnetic chuck and bits make attachment a breeze. Powered by a chargeable battery with a Type-C port, this electric screwdriver is certified to tackle up to 400 screws on a single charge. The robust motor, with a maximum speed of 200 revolutions per minute, effortlessly handles even the toughest tasks. With the best Fanttik Mini Electric Screwdriver, precision meets power in a compact and efficient package, redefining your approach to every repair project. In conclusion, the best mini electric screwdrivers redefine precision and efficiency in repairs. From high-torque performance to versatile bit sets, these tools excel. Share your thoughts below, hit the like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe for more insights on top-notch tools. Elevate your toolkit and stay tuned.